Hi, we the students of Global Business School are going to present a Fortune 500 company, and we have chosen the company Dabur, and I am Aditya Kadak.
I am Akshata Joginawar.
We have chosen the Fortune 500 company as Dabur. Dabur is a public company limited. It deals with the goods of consumer goods, which is also known as FMCG products, fast-moving consumer goods. The company is founded in the year 1884, that is 137 years ago, and the founder of the company is S.K. Burman.
It headquarters in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. It is the area served in the worldwide. Amit Burman is the chairman of the company and Mohit Malhotra is the CEO of the company. Dabur company products are personal care, skin care, hair care, oral hygiene, health supplements and drinks. History of the company. In the mid 1880s, Dr. S.K. Burman, an Ayurvedic practitioner in Kolkata, formulated Ayurvedic medicines for diseases like cholera, constipation, and malaria. He went on to set up Dabur India Limited in 1884 to mass produce his Ayurvedic formulation. His son C.L. Burman set up Dabur's first R&D unit.
The current chairman, Dr. Anand Burman, and vice chairman, Amit Burman, are part of the fifth generation of the family. They were among the first business families in India to separate ownership from management. When they handed over the management of the company to professionals was in the year 1998. More about the company, the mission of the Dabur Company Limited is to maximize shareholders' value by offering superior quality nature-based products that contributes in improving consumers' life in personal care, healthcare, and food products.
The vision of the company, health and well-being of every household, and core values of the company is innovation, responsive, simplicity, and team orientation.
More about the company. Dabur India Limited is one of the leading FMCG companies in India. The company is also a world leader in Ayurveda with a portfolio of over 250 herbal or Ayurvedic products.
They operate in key consumer products categories like hair care, oral care, health care, skin care, home care, and foods. And subsidiary is Dabur Oncology PLC.
Market share of Dabur products. Dabur company deals with a number of products such as food products. Food products deal with food product have the 15.90% of market share among its competitors. Health supplement products have 18.90% of market share among its competitors. Digestive products have 6.30% of market share. OCT and ethicals have the market share of 8.80%. Hair care have the market share of 21.10%. Oral care with 17%. Skin care with 5.10%. And finally, home care with 6.90% of the market share among its competitors.
In all the Dabur company products, hair care is having highest market share, that is 21.10%, and skin care is having a lowest market share, that is 5.10%.
The top competitors of Dabur Company Limited. Hindustan Unilever is the top competitor for Dabur India Limited, and other competitors are Asian Paints, ITC, Titan Company, Godrej Consumer, Berger Paints, Marico, P&G Hygiene, Colgate Palmolive, United Spirits are the competitors of Dabur.
Among these all the companies, Dabur stands with the fifth position, that is having a net profit of 1,170.35. Hair oils, shampoos, health supplements, digestive skincare.
The other products are also foods, oral care products, OTC and ethical products, home care, and Gargam products.
More about Dabur companies. The global footprint of the Dabur company is Asia is having a 24.80%, and Mid East is having 27.10%, and Africa is having a 22.10%, and America is a 13.80%, and Europe is a 12.20%.
The leader products in India are hair care products with 21%, oral care with 17%, skin care with 5%, health supplements with 7%, digestives with 18%, OTC and ethicals with 9%, and food products with 17% of its share in India.
The money map of the Dabur company is consumer care business is having a 57.70%, food business is having 11.80%, international business is having a 27.10%, and others is having a 3.40%.
Big Home personal care products of Dabur deal with home and personal care deal with 51%, foods deal with food produce with 17%, and healthcare products with 32%.
Growth of the Dabur company in the year 2020, in the first quarter it is having a 9.6% growth, and in second quarter it is decreased by 4.8%, and in the third quarter it is quite increasing the 5.6%, and fourth quarter it is decreased by minus 14.6%.
And in the first quarter of 2021, it has a negative decline of minus 9.7, and in the second quarter of 2021, it is raised to plus 16.8, and in the third quarter of 2021, it is raised a little bit for more than second quarter, that is 18.1. Financial data of Dabur. So total assets of Dabur company is 9,354.01 crores for the financial year 2020. There is a growth of 10.87% in the year 2020. Total liabilities of Dabur Company Limited is 2,711.80 crores, and there is a reduction in liabilities of minus 2.23%.
Total equity of the Dabur company is 6,642.21, and there is an increase of 17.29. Current ratio is 1.98. Total debt equity is 0.07, and contingent liabilities is 360.21.
Conclusion. As of conclusion, we can understand that Dabur has concentrated on the product that is growing more in the market.
It had a decline in the market during the financial year 2020 and 2021 due to the pandemic COVID-19.
References are dabur.com, economictimes.com, moneycontrol.com, and this is the bibliography. Thank you.
Thank you.